EIS tones again!
South Central Cabarrus County, East Central Mecklenburg, Northeastern Union County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of downtown Concord, or near Midland, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Unionville, Midland, Fairview in Union County, New Salem, Mid-Hill, Hamby Bridge, Indian Trail, and Mount Pleasant. For your protection,
Mount
join
Pleasant?
carry a room on the lowest
That's
floor of
5
the building.
minutes, actually
Please report
15
damage to
minutes
wind,
away
hail,
from
or flooding
me!
to the Metro
Yay!
Water Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8111
I might have accidentally revealed my...
or by posting our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.
When?
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cabarrus, and Union.
It's a severe thunderstorm warning!